Now Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
How about my viewer photo for today? I was excited to see a pretty sunset picture from La Pine. I do not receive too many from this part of the region, so if you're in La Pine and you have some pictures you'd like to send my way, they do not have to be of the Cascades. As much as I love those pictures, I enjoy ones just like this where you can see a little snow on the ground and a beautiful sky and a beautiful sunset with all of the colors. And speaking of beautiful, that Mount Bachelor shot, I just love it up on that Outback lift line. It's gorgeous to see the night ending with the sunset, the snow, which I wish had new snow on it, but unfortunately does not, and probably will not for a while. Here's a fun shot off that that Blackfeet Ranch, I should say, camera. Look at the clouds over the mountains. There's a fun little updraft there causing some clouds, but nothing that will bring any snow, and that's not going to happen for us, at least for the foreseeable future. Our extended forecast shows mostly to completely clear skies with temperatures warm, maybe even warmer than we were today. That's what's ahead for us this week. It's definitely going to feel a bit more like spring and a little less like winter as we head through the middle of the winter. Temperatures for us right now in Central Oregon are ranging those upper 50s. You can see it's been a warm day around the state. Coolest out right now in Baker City, still in the 50s. In the Coos Bay area, mid-50s in the Dalles. Like I mentioned earlier, we did hit a few records today, and we have opportunities for warmer days ahead. Things are staying rather calm for us today because we have this zonally upper level flow. It's very calm, no ridges or troughs, but we do start to see a trough dropping down and then a ridge developing here just offshore. If this comes into the Pacific Northwest, which is the track that it looks like it's headed on right now, we'll not only have those clear skies, but the warmer air could take our temperatures even warmer than we were today. On the future track, you'll notice those clouds coming and going, nothing major. You can still see through them, some upper level clouds. On Wednesday, 4 a.m., that's really the only time I'm seeing any rain to our north. That does not come down to us. It goes away, and we get back to seeing just a few clouds. By the time we get to Thursday, that's when that potential high pressure could come in because it's showing that we have almost completely clear skies Thursday into Friday. Thursday is also the day we're expecting to see our warmest temperatures. Here's where we are right now, starting to cool down now that the sun has set, and we are expecting those temperatures to actually drop rather quickly as we go into the evening. Then we see a nice steady drop until we get to those early morning hours where we are a few degrees above average. Temperatures should be ranging from the teens to the upper 20s, and as I mentioned before, we know La Pine, that area that's 18 degrees, we could see some cooler temperatures in those higher elevations in that part of the region. Daytime temperatures for tomorrow, very similar to today. A possibility of being a degree or two cooler, but our warmest day right now is on Thursday, and then we hang out in those upper 50s to low 60s until we get to Monday next week, and we could cool back to the mid 50s.